How to sign in Coinbase account. Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode. I'm back with a new video, and today I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to sign in into your Coinbase account. To sign in into your Coinbase account, you just have to follow the simple steps. So what you'll need to do is, first thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your Play Store. So that you need to install it, and on the search box you want to type in Coinbase. When you type in that, click the install button and wait for the application to be completely installed. Now that I've already installed it, I'm gonna go ahead and click the open button. As I've done it, so it's gonna ask you to go ahead and check your internet connection. Now this is because the following application isn't available in my region, so the interface shows something like this. Now what I'm gonna do is use a browser. So I'm gonna type in coinbase.com if it is applicable, or if it is available in my country. You want to go ahead and click on it. So unfortunately it's not available. What you just need to do is, you need to press a login button since you already have an account, and after that what you'll have to do is enter in your credential. That could either be your secret fees, or you'll be asked to sign in with your email address. Now type in your email address and the password. If asked, you might also have to enter in your secret fees, and once you've done it, so you'll be logged into your account successfully. So that's the simplest way of signing into your Coinbase account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.